So a few days ago we made the almond butter and olive soaps, and here they are. They're all finished, they're nice and firm. To be honest, I haven't done a whole lot with these. I didn't insulate them, I didn't refrigerate them. I was rather neglectful and I just left them sitting on the table to harden up. So let's see if we can give them a little bit more appreciation and love than I've given them so far. And actually, these are looking absolutely beautiful. I think they look gorgeous. I'm loving the colour and the texture. Let's take out some of the other ones. I'm hoping you can see how beautiful these look. Let's pop a few more out. Now this one was the one that I over poured. And you can see I've still got that little bit of excess along the side there. I'll have to trim that off afterwards. And there we have almond butter and olive soaps. I think these are looking absolutely beautiful. Can you see that gorgeous texture? Really, really pretty. The fragrance was just lavender essential oil. I didn't use a whole lot because I'm going to be using these as a facial soap, but I am really loving these. They just look super pretty. And I hope yours turn out as well as these. So I am going to carry on drying these, but they are really nice and firm already, but I can tell that they still need a little bit of drying to do. So this was my almond butter and olive soaps. Thanks for joining me, guys. Bye bye.